In this video you will learn how to download Yuzu Emulator on your iOS device. Open the Apple App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Launch the App Store to confirm Yuzu Emulator. Search for Yuzu Emulator. Verify that there's no official version that exists for your Apple device. Look for an iOS compatible emulator. Search for trusted emulated apps that support iOS systems. Download a supported emulator app. Install a compatible emulator from the App Store. Import your own legal owned game files. Transfer game files into your own emulator, using supporting methods. Configure your controls and start playing. Adjust your settings and launch your game within the emulator app. Now you know how to download Yuzu Emulator on your iOS device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.